Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to another Temu haul. That's right, are you still shopping for Christmas? Well, I don't know if anything can get from Temu in time for Christmas, but you know what? I bet you they'll try. And I am going to show you some things that you may be interested in. Maybe you want to use it for your after Christmas money that you have, and you're looking for the perfect things because you received a gift of money for your Christmas. And I'm going to show you several things that you may be interested in today. Temu is an online market store for those of you that don't know, and you can purchase all kinds of things from shoes, cosmetics, purses, clothes, tools, kitchen gadget, home decor, Christmas decor, Happy New Year decor. Hey, that might be a thought. You can find all kinds of winter clothes. You can find clearance sales. You can find lightning sales. You can just find all kinds of things at Temu. And it's almost like an Amazon store at wholesale prices. And they have some really great prices. And if you can catch their lightning deals, you can find some super deals that will work for you at less cost, and you have more money in your pocket to spend on the other things that are necessary. But today we're going to go through this Temu haul. I do want you to know that I am an affiliate with Temu, but this has all been purchased with my own money. However, I do have a discount code for you if you're new. INC 76154 will save you 30% on your order. You do have 1 hour to use that code once you download the app and or initiate the code. You can use the code twice if you shop at temu.com first and use the code, and then download the app to your phone a second time. You can use it twice. They also have free shipping, 90 days return, and price match, 30-day price match. And guys, you can just go to your orders. It's easy peasy. You can check it, and if there's a lower price, they show it on that order. Like if you needed to return something, or you're looking, if a price has lowered, it will show it. It is really nice. So they really stand behind their products. I really like them. As you can tell, I buy a lot of Temu, and I want to share what I got. These are some Christmas gifts for my family. A couple of things are for myself, and I think I'll start off with that. I purchased a ring, and I don't know if I covered everything, but I will tell you, if you want to be an affiliate yourself, there is a link down in my description. And of course, the code INC 76154 will be in my description, and links to all these products that I show you today with the current prices, and my prices may be less or more based on what it was when I purchased it. My first item is a ring, and you all might have remembered that I ordered this beautiful marquee ring with the baguette settings in there, and I think it's got some round stones in there as well, and it's called the Sparkling 3-Row Ring. It was $1.48, and this time I got a size 9, and it's gonna fit my middle finger, sort of. That's my biggest finger for it to fit, other than maybe my thumb. But it's going to be a little loose. I know if I get an 8, it's going to be too small. So I don't know what to do, and it'll run circles on this hand. This is a 9, and it fits pretty good. I think I can wear it. The first one I got, if y'all recall, was a 10. It'll just move around a little bit. Ooh, yeah, if I sling my hand, it would actually come off. So we'll see on that. But I tried again. I wish they'd have like 8.5, because I think that's what I need. Or I don't know, maybe I could try an 8 in this. Maybe they just have big sizes. Maybe I just have small fingers. I don't know. But anyways, the next item that I got that was for myself, and that was $1.48. I got a 24-25 calendar, and guys, this was $4.80, but I do want to tell you the price has gone down on that price check several times. So I don't know what it is currently, but I will have it down in my description if you're needing a calendar for the 24 year, and of course this goes into 25. This is really nice. I like it because it's got the whole month in front of you when you open it up. It's got places to do your to-do list, that if you need to, list things that you want to do and organize a little bit. It has plans for the year right in front there. It's really nice, and I kind of got a seafoam green, and it goes all the way to, oh my goodness, it goes all the way to December 2025, so I'll be able to use this for 2 years. It was $4.80. This has got like a nice that plastic kind of cover, and it's just like a green color is what I picked. They had different colors that you could choose. And then at the end of it, it's got some places for notes and lists on the back part of it. So very nice. And I love it that it's 2 years worth. That's wonderful. So this will be good for 2 whole years. Wonderful. I know I've said that 2 times already, maybe 4. Okay, guys, the next item I have is mostly, everything in here, I believe, is a gift. And in this big old bag, I got all kinds of things. The first item out of here I'm going to show you, and this was in a different bag, actually, is this here. And this is Hawaii doll. I ended up getting this for like $5 and something, but it started off on sale at $8 or maybe $7.58, and then it kept going down in price. And right now I can't remember the name of this, but when I go back and look at my stuff, I'll let you know. I got this for a little Christmas gift. It's really nice. It's made out of some nice little fabric there. It actually has the Kurami. That's what it is. It's the Kurami out of the Hello Kitty lines, I think. And I'm not sure about how all that works, but isn't it cute? Yeah, I thought that was just extra cute, and I like all the purple and everything on it. I thought that would make a nice gift. And I got it on lightning sale, or reduced all the way down to $5 and something, but it normally runs, I think, around $12, but I'll have the current price in my description. Now, the next item that I have that I'm going to show you is for all you Cowboy fans out there. And they had a metal sign, and mine has gotten just a tad bent and being in the package. And this is a Christmas gift, and it is something that you can hang up. You can see on the edges there. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging. You can see that it clearly says Cowboys. It's in the blue, and it's got places that you can pin it up in their room or in the garage, wherever it is that the guys might want to put this. And this was $3.99. It's a Cowboys Avenue, and it is made out of metal, but this is very nice, I thought, for $3.99. Now the next item I have is a t-shirt, and this is a gift as well, and I will pull this out so you can see it, and it runs $7.19, and it's a short sleeve cowboy shirt. And the only thing that I can see that's wrong on this is that they've got the blues in like a gray and black. I would much prefer that to be in the blues, but guys, this is super soft, whatever fabric they've got going with it. I got a large, and like I said, it is a gift, and it's made out of 96% polyester and 4% elastane. So very nice. I like that. That'll be a very nice gift for him. And I'm not going to say who, just in case any of them are watching. They won't know exactly who it's for. My next item is also a gift, and it's acrylic colors. And it has 12 in here, and it was $3.89, and they've got 12 colors that they can use for $3.89. So you got your basic brown, yellow, white, red, your primary colors basically, with a few shades differently in the green, black, and brown. And it comes in this nice little box that you could wrap it up in real easily. And along with that, I got some 5-pack 4-inch mini easel canvas that are easel. Let's see if I can get one out of here without messing up, just so you can see the quality of it. It's a little canvas that can be held up, and I'm not going to take it completely apart, of course, but you've got your stand there and your little canvas that you can make a drawing or paint on, and she loves to do art. She probably knows who this is for. And this was $4.54. So sorry for the spoil there if you're watching this. Okay, so great price for that, and there was 5 in there. The next item that I have is another t-shirt. Yes, now this is out of polyester, I think. It's a more thinner fabric than the other one, and it's $4.82. This is 90% polyester and 10% spandex. And this has the American, I am an American. I think it has it on the front and it has it on the back. So it's very nice, and like I said, it's a little bit thinner than what I expected. It says it's an XXL, but in this case, to me, that's small for an XXL. So if you get this and you're looking for a larger size, I would, order even an extra large if you can get it. And this was in green. But yeah, this is definitely, doesn't look like an XXL to me. I mean, I've purchased XXLs for myself that looks bigger than this. So just be forewarned on this one. Definitely order larger size. And it was very thin fabric as well. I want to mention that too. The next item I have, let's see what it is, goes along with the cowboy theme. And it's a one-piece, three-dimensional, and it is a baseball cap for $5.48. And I think that was a good price for the cap. Very, very nice. Again, that is another gift. The next item I'm pulling out of here is another t-shirt. And this is a vintage car and letter pattern t-shirt. It's $5.21, and it's a little bit thicker fabric, but it's also made out of the polyester, I'm sure. And it says, "I'm not old, I'm a classic," with the old blue truck on there. Looks like it might have been red, losing its red color, or it needs to be painted. But I've got several that could go for as far as a gift goes. And the quality of it is a little bit thicker than the other. I'd say a little bit better. And it's made out of 90% polyester and 10% spandex too, but this one is a little bit better quality. I just want to let y'all know it's got a thicker polyester than the other one, so heads up on that. Sometimes it does make a difference on the manufacturer. My next item is a pair of socks. These are cute little socks. It says it's one pair of men's cotton socks, but I think this could be for men or women. And they are little penguins, and I just think they're adorable. And I know somebody that loves penguins. Do you? And that was $1.52, so great price on that. And then to go along with that, I got some little cute penguin designed little pieces that you could set, I think, well, anywheres. But we've got 4 of them. I'm not going to take them out of the package because it's a gift, but we have this penguin, and we have this penguin. They were $2.60, by the way. We have this one, and we have one more. There were 4, and we have this one here. Aren't they just adorable? And then on the inside, they've got the 2-sided felt pieces that you can put on there so that they can stand. I think they showed it on your dashboard. So, if you want to have it on your dashboard, have little penguins on there because you're a big penguin fan, that'd be so cute. And that was in that little packet. And guys, I think my bag is empty. So that's all I have today. And this ring, I'll probably end up having to gift it too because it's rolling around and it's probably going to fly off my finger. I'm not sure, but I really do like it. Isn't that beautiful? Very, very pretty. You can tell the gold on it is, I guess, well, I don't know what it is. Actually, I don't know what they make out of it for their costume jewelry. The one next to it is 10 karat or 14 karat gold, so I mean, there is a difference in the color, that's for sure. That is my Temu haul today, and let me know if you have a favorite. Now, I like it all because they're all gifts for someone that I know, and as far as if I have to pick a favorite, because for myself, I'm going to say I love the ring, and I love the calendar that I got, and this is just going to work out great. And again, I love one that you can look at the whole month, and you can see if you've got something going on. You can write it down ahead of time, or if something important's happened and you want to make a notation of it, you can get it in there. But that's going to work out great for me. I love that. That seems to be everything that I have in this particular haul. Now, I have more things coming. I have bought more clothes, so I have another fashionista haul coming soon. I have 2 or 3 campaigns. Now the fashionista haul will be things that I purchased all on my own, but I do have 3 campaigns coming to me, so there'll be a lot of Temu showing up within the next few weeks. I'm not quite sure when they'll get here and when I'll be able to get it all produced and out to you guys, but I look forward to it when that is. And I love Temu. I hope you do too. And don't forget, if you're new to Temu, you can save an additional 30% off your order on top of the incredible pricings that they already have for everything. So be sure and keep that in mind. I will tell you, this jacket that I have on is a Temu jacket. You may have seen it in one of my other hauls, but I just thought I would show it to you again. I just got it over like a little simple tee today. It's not real cold today, so just something to take the little chill off. And that's all I have today. And this here was a set. If you wanted to get this, you would have to purchase the skirt that goes with it, and it's about $22, just for FYI. And if I can find that link, I'll drop that in there too in case you're interested. I will tell you, it's a nice plaid flannel, and it is thick flannel. It's very, very nice, and I got a 12, so, and it fits pretty good on me. It's, I would say, almost like an oversized, but fits perfectly. But that's all I have for Temu today. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on, and don't forget, I have the Christmas Cheer series giveaway going on, but I'll have that information down in my description, and they are going to end now on January 20th, and there'll be several more giveaways coming out, so be sure and take a look at that. As for today and Temu, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.